ASTRO, and in this Python tutorial I am going to show how to code a step plot in Python Matplotlib. So basically your step plot look like a stair, like it has a steps. I mean like data points are shown by the steps, by vertical lines and horizontal lines, and where your data points are connected by vertical lines. So basically this is used to show us that how much change in y with respect to x data. So let's see how to code it. Okay, so first we will import numpy. So import numpy as np and import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. So this will take care of your array, this will take care of your plotting. Now define your x data, and then y data. So x, you can say that I want np dot linear space one to 5, and I want 5 numbers. So this will give your 1 to 5. You can also check it, and then give your y data. So y equal to, you can give, say you want to give y equal to simply, or you can give say x cube. Now plot it. So plot a step. So for that just type command plt.step and give your xy data, and then you can give a marker, you can say star, or maybe just simply plot it. plt dot show for showing the plot. Now run it. Okay, so you can see that you have your x and y step plot. Okay, so this is your plot, first step plot. You can see that like 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is going in the steps. I mean how much change in y with respect to your x. Now you can also give marker to this. So marker, you can give it say a star, and then you can give a where command. I mean like where to put this marker. You can give mid, and let's check it. See, like your marker is appearing at the mid. I mean, you can see that in the mid of the line. Okay, by connecting the two. Now just you can just change to pre. Let's see what is happening. Change to pre. See, you can see that the marker has shifted to your rightmost. Similarly, you can make it post. Okay, so you can see that it is going at the data points at the y value. line width 4, you can say. So it is like looking thicker. You can also change color if you want. Just call it red. This will change the color. You can also change the line style if you want. You can see test. It will look like this. You can make this one or this one. So this way you can also plot it if you want, but for time being I'm just putting it solid. Okay, and you can also change your line width and line style. So I'm writing it ls equal to line style and lw equal to line width. You can also make it much more thicker if you want. See, this is your shape plot. Okay, what else we can do? You can also like plot another plot along with that. So just type plt.bar and give xy. See what is happening. You can see that it is on the your bar plot. So this way you can also do, and like it is showing like red stars at the data points. So this way you can also make it, or like you can also make it a line plot. Period. So thus you can see that your step plot can be like also include so many plots, or it can be like added with other plots. So just change line width and maybe call it black. Okay, so you can see that like line plot has like 3 different plots have been added with that, and like they are representing the step plot. So this way like you can add any plot with a step plot, like I mean like your line plot, your bar plot. So these will like show the same features. Okay, so now you can give legend. Okay, so just type level and give it say step, and then give his level say bar plot, and then give his level say line, and just type plt.legend, and thus your plot is ready. Okay, so now you can see that your step plot is in red color, your line plot is in black, and your bar is in blue plot. You can also control the width of the bar if you want. 0.4. And see, so a step plot can be added into your bar plot or line plot also to visualize your data more in a good way. Okay, so thank you.